Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today I am here because I am about to start some onion seeds, and it is towards the end of January here, and I have these two seed varieties I'm going to be starting. I have the red Creole onion, which is a short day onion, and then I have the, let's see, what is this here called? This is called the yellow sweet Spanish onion right here. And I got these onions from Amazon, these onion seeds from B&KM Farms. All right, and I got these from So Right Seeds Company on the internet. All right, so, and I live in zone 7B, which is like a intermediate zone. So I'm going to try to do some short day and long day onions. All right, so I have got my starting seed cells here. These are the biodegradable ones. Now these didn't come with a dome, so I'm just going to use some plastic bags. Once I put my seeds in, I'm going to cover them with plastic bags and put them in my windowsill. And I also have some, what is this here? Jiffy Natural Seed Starting Mix. So I'm just going to take this mix, fill in these cells, and I have what they come 50 cells in a pack, so I have 100 cells. So what I'm gonna try to do, I'm gonna try to do 50 of the red Creole, and I'm gonna do 50 of the sweet Spanish onion. All right, so, and we're gonna go ahead and get started. Just gonna take these. If this wind don't blow it away, it's such a beautiful day here in Southern Virginia. It's like, I believe it's supposed to be like 73 today here in January. And that's kind of absurd to hear of at this time of year. I don't know what's going on with the weather. All right, so I'm gonna have to get some scissors to cut this bag open. All right, so I got the bag open. And I also want to let you guys know, I want to show you my turmeric and ginger I've got going too as well. So stay tuned later on in this video. I'm going to show you my turmeric and ginger that I'm starting. And I got the ginger from the store. So I'm just dumping this in here. And I think they say you don't want to plant the seeds no more than a ½ inch, because they're bulbs, and something about the bulbs got to sit up kind of on the dirt. And I got it in this pan right here because I'm trying to conserve my dirt. Because you know stuff ain't cheap nowadays. And so I'm just going to pat it in here. This is my second time starting onions from seeds. If you go back to one of my previous videos, last summer I grew some onions from seed. I thought they came out pretty good. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna moisten the dirt up before I put the seeds in. All right, so now I'm gonna get ready and add these seeds. And here on the packet of these seeds, it tells you that they are a short day. It gives you directions. I am not affiliated with any of these companies here. It's just something I personally bought myself. And so I'm going to put 2 seeds in each cell, just in case one of them don't germinate. So here they are, little tiny seeds, and I'm just gonna One on each side. Got my little pine stick here. And this stuff right here doesn't absorb water very well, I've noticed. It's like the water just sits here. So, but I'm just going to continue to do this, poke little holes. And I'm going to drop 2 seeds in each. 1, 2. 1, 2. Do 1, 2. 1, 2. And I'm just going to continue to put 2 in each cell. Alright, so I got 2 in each cell, and I'm going to top it off with a little layer of some more of this seed starting dirt and spread it out. Just wiping the excess off here. And then I'm going to mist it again with some water. And I'm going to put a plastic bag over each one and set it in my windowsill. Now some people use grow lights, but I'm just going to put it in my windowsill because that's what I did last year and I had success with it, so I'm going to do it again this year. Okay, so I have got them all potted up in their cells. I've marked them. Make sure you mark them and put your date on them. I also have them marked inside, and I'm just going to put these in my windowsill and let them germinate. I believe it takes about 7 to 10 days. And I'm going to get ready and show you guys my ginger. Alright, so here's the ginger that I bought from the grocery store, and I cut it into little pieces, and I've been letting them sit in some water with a paper towel on top for about, I think it's been in there for a couple of weeks now. And so far, I've only had, looks like 2 of them, no 3, that have started to grow, I believe, an eye, or I'm not sure if they call these an eye, but I have 3 of them so far. So I'm going to go ahead and pot these up. See that right there? Don't mind my fingernails, y'all. I'm out here working. These are working hands. And these ones haven't done anything, and I had more in here, but they started to get real mushy and like they got rotten, and it was smelling really bad, and I was changing the water out almost every day. But so I'm gonna go ahead and plant these 3, and I'm just gonna put them in these little biodegradable containers here. And I'll go ahead and leave these other ones in here and see if they do anything, but if not, that's okay with me. And I'm gonna go ahead and cover these on up with some good, with this seed starting dirt here that I have left. And I just had these sitting in my windowsill, like I showed you, with the paper towel on top. And I'm just happy I got at least 3 of them. And hopefully these 3 will do something for me this year. This is, you know, my first time growing ginger as well. So hopefully this will do well. And I'm gonna get ready to show you guys my turmeric I got growing as well. Okay, so here is my turmeric that's been growing for about a month now. And they started from this. I bought these from Amazon in a bag. And I set them on top of my counter. I got them back in, I think, October or November. And I had them sitting on top of my kitchen counter. And they started shriveling up. And I thought they were, you know, no good. So I was about to throw them away. And then I forgot they were sitting up there. And I looked one day and I started seeing these little sprouts. So I took the little sprouts and planted them in here in my fabric pot. This is just to, you know, to get them started, because once it gets warm enough outside, I'm going to transplant them outside. But this is how she's looking after about a month of me planting them from like this. And there they are. Beautiful ginger. I mean, not ginger, turmeric. I'm excited about my ginger, y'all. I can't wait for that. But yep, so this is the turmeric. And I bought them from Amazon. Fresh turmeric. And I also wanted to show you guys some seeds that I'm going to be starting this year. I have some different seeds. This is SoRightSeeds.com. I bought these myself. And let me get them out and show you what I'm going to be growing this year. So I'm going to be growing some yellow crimson watermelons. I'm so excited about these. And they give you the directions on the back of these, which I like. Alright. Then I'm going to be growing some cucumbers. Market more. And I'm going to be growing some ground cherries. I heard these was good. So, and I like sweet things. So, and I heard this was sweet. And it also says on the back that they taste like pineapple vanilla flavor. But I also heard that these things will take over your garden as well. So you have to be careful with those. And I'm going to be growing some summer straight neck squash. And then I got these here from Walmart. The Greek peppers. I love these in my salad. So I'm going to try to learn how to do some canning hopefully this year as well. Alright, so that's about it, you guys. And thank you so much for watching and your support. I greatly appreciate you all. And until next time, I'll be seeing y'all.